This is team engineering. So masyado marami ang tao dito sa amin. Yearly, we see to it na magkakaroon kami ng team building kasi gusto namin mag-relax din kasi sobrang dami ng trabaho.
Your work, come here. Your work is
out on a road that I built with my own two hands. I met friends on the way, people chosen to make a stand. I felt strong in the sun as I walked up to pastures green.
Excited, masaya, enjoy.
Happy po kasi.
Happy!
Very accommodating yung nagpa-facilitate no ano. Tapos ano siya, inahandle na maayos yung pag-ano na. Tapos kinoconsider niya yung feelings ng bawat isa.
Maganda, very exciting.
Masaya. Sa nagkakasama kami.
Bigsa! Team! Bigsa!
Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be free. Hearted, we're not like the others, no reason to be.
So far so good, maganda yung mga palaro, tapos masaya lahat nag-participate. So, good job.
About sa team building namin, masaya. Nagkakaroon kami ng camaraderie. And masayang pinagawa sa amin ng aming city engineers. Saka nagiging isa kami sa lahat.
Ang masasabi ko po dito sa naging team building namin is lalong tumibay po ang aming pagsasamahan at nagkakaroon po kami ng enjoyment kahit na may mga trabaho kami, na-stress kami, dito na ilalabas. Maraming salamat.
Masaya po actually. Yung facilitator natin, ina-accept niya lahat yung opinions, tapos magaling yung facilitator actually.
Have a nice day. I am Kim Mangalindan, your front desk officer, and we are all inviting you to witness the beauty of Cuesta del Sol Villas, located at Subdivision Strand, Barrio Nagbalayong, Morong, Bataan. You can visit our page, that is Cuesta del Sol Villas. Thank you, stay safe and mabuhay.
Maganda, exciting, masaya. Tsaka yung lugar, maganda. Presko, tsaka komportable. Okay, salamat.
Kung napapansin nyo, hirap na hirap yung organizer. It's because everyone's competitive. And dito kasi, I don't know if you'll understand, pero sa amin kasi, if hindi ka lose, hindi ka kasali. So technically, crazy. This is a crazy batch of people. But, kaya namin ina-exercise yung ganitong team building is dahil gusto namin, united kami. You know, despite the gulo and all, at the end of the day, sabi nga nila, we will rise as one. So, yun. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako kay, syempre, si Mayor Christy Angeles, tsaka si Boss Vic Angeles, kasi they really see to it na every department meron ganitong klaseng activity. At syempre, hindi naman mabubuo ang City Engineer's Office kung wala yung City Engineer namin, si Engineer Pen, na laging supportive sa amin at saka laging galante para everybody happy. So sa Team Engineering, sa Team CEO, good luck sa atin at saka let's enjoy the rest of the day, enjoy the rest of the team building activities and magkaisa bawat oras, sama-sama, sabi nga ni Mayor. Thank you.